Hi, boys and girls. So, remember how we read a book called Isla, which I have right here? Let me see for those of you who don't remember. So, we read this book earlier, and we talked about how there's things that are living which need, water and grow and can reproduce, which are some words that we have been learning. We will continue to mention those words throughout the lesson. And then there are some things that are non-living, means they don't need anything to live. And when I read it to you, I said really pay attention to some of those details that are in the pictures and the illustrations. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have each of you guys, I'm gonna give you guys a sticky note. And behind me I have one of our anchor charts, and I have one side I have living, which is our heading for this side. And then we have another side over here with non-living. So living, I did a green because green means green and growing, right? In order for plants to grow, you give them water and they become greener and greener. So it only made sense to make it green. So living things need to eat, they need to breathe, they need to grow, and they need to also can reproduce, kind of like us. We need food, we need water, and we grow to become adults and then, kids. So for non-living, are things that they do not need. They don't need any food, any water, and they don't need to breathe, or they can't make more of themselves. So, in this book, we found a lot of those examples, and we're going to classify them into living or non living things. And each of you guys is going to help me with that with a sticky note. So, I'm going to go ahead and pass them out. Here you go. One each, actually, two, one for living and one for non living. Or you can do two for one. So, let me know when you're ready. Give me thumbs up. All right, perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and call my friend right here. She's already ready. What is one living thing? Let me flip through the book. Let me make sure. I'm going to show you this first page. Oh, this one right here. It has a lot of stuff. We'll see a lot of green, but I also see some blue. So what do you notice? Oh, let me check. Do I see that over here? I sure do. She said plants. Do we see plants here? Yes. That's one check. And two, is it living? Does it need to eat? Does it eat? It drinks water. It does need air. And it grows and it produces. So that is a living thing. We're going to put that right there. All right. One more. Oh, perfect. Let's see. Let me make sure. Ooh, a house. Good. Do we see houses here? A lot. And there's a lot more over here. Living? No. Non-living. Perfect. Oh, I hear another one, which kind of goes with this one. A window. Living or non-living. Perfect. Does not need that. Let's see. You tell me where to put it. Nope. All right, perfect. Let's see. You friend right there. You got yours? Let's see. He has two. This one right here. Okay. This one right here. Okay. Just telling you where you tell me I put them. Okay. We're going to talk about them right now. Okay. Ooh, we have a lot classified under non-living. Uh-oh. Let's see. And I see a lot of them. Let me just talk about the ones that we classified. And I'm checking in the book. I do see those in here. So for living, we have plants, birds, chickens, and people. Give me a thumbs up if we all agree that it's in the living side. Okay. What about non-living? They do not need anything really. House, window, cars, picture frame, books, and buildings. Thumbs up? Okay, good. So far, they look good, and we're going to talk about them in a second, but we did really good. And there is a whole lot more that we could add, and we can keep adding maybe later on with more stickies, classifying throughout the day. So we're going to move on to why. Why did we classify them into either of those categories? Because you're going to be doing something very, very similar um, with picture cards. So all of these are correct. These are living and these are non-living. And we're going to talk about how you classify those in a little bit. But before that, I want you to get one more practice by yourself or with a partner. If you do it with a partner or a group of people, it'll be better. So if you have a couple the people at your table, you're going to have a couple of picture cards. So like this one, you have water and they are color so you can see them. There's snake, fish. There's different kinds of pictures on here. There's a lot. So each of you guys is going to get a stack at their table, and you're going to have 2 hula hoops. You can place them on the table or you can place them on the floor to have enough space. And one of them is going to be your living side. The other side is going to be your non-living side, just like we did here in the poster, but you're going to do it hands-on. And you're going to do it with people at your table, and you're going to classify between living and non-living. Okay, so you know those characteristics. Living needs to eat, breathe, grow, or reproduce, and non-living does not need to eat or grow or can reproduce or breathe. So you're going to classify those with your partner, and then we're going to see and make sure if you got them correct or not. All right, good luck.